Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you the importance of having good influence friends or spiritual mentors in your life that can help guide you throughout your walk with Christ. Alright, let's get into the video. Hey, what's up? It's Tyler here with Tyler's Devotions. On this channel, I post weekly Bible devotion videos that provide you with insightful tips on how to improve upon your spiritual life. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Alright, let's get into the video. Wise friends cause us to be better people. We need friends that will encourage us to follow God and encourage our relationship with God and encourage us to pray and to read our Bibles. And a very important necessity when choosing good Christian friends is having a friend that's able to tell you the cold, hard truth when you do something wrong. Because that shows you how much they truly love you when they're able to tell you when you've done something wrong. Because it's hard for a friend to do that, but it's very important. Because you see, when a friend does that, they're actually pushing you forward and encouraging you to do better. And we know that wise friends are very important because God tells us so in Proverbs 13:20, and it says this: "Walk with the wise and become wise, for a companion of fools suffers harm." It is important that we have these spiritual mentors in our lives to help us complete our responsibilities and tasks day to day as a Christian. Now you might ask, well, how do I know if the person is a good Christian spiritual mentor and a good leader that I can follow? Well, the first few things I would say is, one, a true godly Christian mentor runs after God without thinking. He runs after God 100%. Secondly, a godly mentor lifts you up when you're down. He doesn't pull you down, he lifts you up. He holds out his hand and he helps you up. Thirdly, and this one can be kind of hard to accept, but a true mentor is able to tell you the hard truth and the honest to God truth even when you don't want to hear it. That's what true mentors are. Now, a bad example of a true Christian mentor would be somebody who's a hypocrite. Somebody who doesn't live out the Christian life but says they do. And lastly, we need to remember that godly mentors fulfill a promise from God in the Bible. Because you see, just like the previous Bible verse stated, it said that those who walk with the wise will become wise. Well, that's what spiritual mentors are. They are the wise people that we're supposed to follow. And some of us are meant to be mentors. Some of us are meant to be both. A lot of us are meant to be both. Some of us have people following us and looking up to us, and some of us have people that we look up to. Thanks for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Until next time, Tyler's Devotions provides you with the best tips and tricks for your walk with God.